Hey, what's up everybody here at Costco, checking out this Tresanti desk. It's a stand-up desk, but it's electric, and this price point is better than getting one of those stand-up desks that you put on top of the desk. So I'm going to try and find a link to see if there is anything as far as the specs on the desk, but let me just show it to you. It's really nice. It's got a tempered glass top. You got 4 settings, and then also as you raise it, it shows you the height there, and it goes from 30 inches to 47 inches, so which is great. It also has this pull-out drawer, which is nice to keep organized, and it's like a felt material. This would be great for me because I have a glass top desk, which I like, but I wanted a stand-up desk in-house, so this would work well. And then you've got here, you've got the USB hub, and then this button, I believe, is for adjusting the setting and locking that in place. So really, really cool. Again, if I can find a link, I will. If you can get by your Costco store, check it out. This is a great value. These are expensive desks. And as far as the top of the desk, it's 47 inches length by 24 inches wide by 30. So anyway, I thought I would share this with you, and I love stand-up desks. So this gives you the best of all worlds, having it electric, and you've got a pretty nice size and a good looking desk in your house. All right, take care, have a great day.